This full keto vegan system hits around 100 grams of protein at roughly 1,600 calories, while staying low in carbohydrates, and structured for a slight calorie deficit. And this is important, because this is not just about eating less. It's about eating in a way that supports your metabolism, keeps your protein high, and your energy stable. Many people think keto means giving up pasta, and many people think vegan means eating too many carbs. So naturally, most people believe you have to choose. But what if that's not true? Because the real problem is not keto, and it's not vegan. It's structure versus guessing. Today I'm showing you a full keto vegan system, where you still eat pasta, you still get dessert, and you still hit around 100 grams of protein, while staying in a controlled calorie range. We start with the muffin base. Mash half an avocado until smooth. Add coconut cream, almond butter, lemon juice, stevia, and water. Mix until creamy. Now add almond flour, psyllium husk, and baking powder. Mix into a thick batter. Let it sit for 5 minutes, so the psyllium can absorb liquid and create structure. Now fill the batter into silicone molds, or a small baking dish. Bake at 160 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 18 minutes. The inside should stay slightly moist. Now, the important part. The glaze goes on top after baking, not inside the batter. Mix coconut cream, lemon juice, and stevia, and spread it over the muffins. Now, the main meal. We use edamame noodles, and this is critical. They must be made from 100% edamame, because that's what makes them high protein and low carb. Cook the noodles, then prepare the TVP. Soak it first, then cook it with spices until it absorbs flavor. Now, the vegetables. You can rotate here. Frozen mixes, fresh vegetables, or quick combinations like spinach and tomatoes. Cook everything separately, and then combine it. Add olive oil and lemon for flavor and energy. Now the sauce. We use half an avocado, coconut cream, and a little almond butter. Blend everything until smooth. And here's the key. We split the avocado between dessert and sauce, so the system stays balanced and not overloaded with fat. Combine everything, and you have a pasta meal that actually supports ketosis. Now, here's something most people ignore. Don't eat everything at once. Eat your main meal first. Then, stand up, move, walk, or dance for 5 to 10 minutes. Then come back and finish your dessert. This helps stabilize blood sugar and improves your metabolic response. And this is why tracking matters, because your body is individual. That's why I use a continuous ketone monitor. It tracks my ketones throughout the entire day in real time, so I can actually see what works for me. https://www.sibiosensor.com/alanoculta. And don't forget the basics. Omega-3, multivitamin with B12, D3, and K2. Creatine, magnesium, and 2 Brazil nuts. So instead of asking, which diet is better, ask yourself one question. Are you structured, or are you guessing? Comment below. Make no compromises. Keto and vegan works. Simple, structured, effective.